Here is how to add members to a group on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First open WhatsApp on your phone and then come to the group where you'd want to add members. So I've come to this group. Once you're here, just click on the group's name, which is on top. Then scroll down. And here, you'll see the members of the group. And if you're the admin, and if you have permission, then you'll see this option to add members. So admins are allowed to add members, and in some groups, the members themselves can add other members. So this depends on the group which you're in, but if you are an admin, then you'll definitely see this option to add members. And here there are two methods. One is to add members manually. So if you have the contacts, just click on the first option, and then over here, you can keep selecting contacts that you'd want to add. And to add them, click on the tick at the bottom right. This is the first method, and the second way is to invite them via a link or a QR code. For that, click on this button. And these are the options we have. You can send the link via WhatsApp, copy the link, send via SMS, email, or generate a QR code that someone can scan to join the group. So again, select whichever option you want, and just like that, you can add new members. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.